Hey guys, it's Mr. Golius. Hope you are doing well. While I'm recording this Thursday. Happy Friday. Um, Glad you guys made it through the week. So, a couple things. Number one, the biggest problem we're having is with the graphic designs. The biggest problem we're having with the graphic design is people keep turning them in, even though it says in red on each day, don't submit. We're doing something different with those. Those are going to end up inside of Flipgrid, and you're going to get a big grade for all of those. So we still have one we're doing today, the lion, and then we have one we're going to do on Monday as well that I think you guys are going to like. We're going to get to be real creative. So it's the biggest issue we're having with that one. Your screenshot was graded. So if you didn't get that in, that's why you have a missing grade on that. Also, make sure you have your Flipgrid from yesterday turned in. I've already been going through those. And what else, Luke? Oh, weren't you going to show them something? Here, let's do. Okay, buddy. Part of my students' quiz today is they're going to have to guess which action figure you have today. Can you show the action figure?
Kids, do you know Anakin?
Do you know Anakin? So what movie's Anakin from, buddy?
Star Wars.
Yes, that's your favorite, isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? All right. Well, there you go. There's one of the answers, courtesy of my son Luke. Anakin is the answer. So good luck today. Have yourselves a great weekend. Thank you for participating, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.